India's next billion prescriptions won't come from the chemist shop outside a metro mall. They'll be written in block letter registers of rural clinics, issued through government megatenders, authorized by corporate hospital pharmacy and therapeutics committees, PTCs, and approved for ultra-targeted oncology infusions. These are the new battlegrounds for pharmaceutical companies. Conquering these four frontiers, rural reach, tender business, corporate hospitals, and specialty-controlled channels, is the new definition of market access in India. It's about navigating a complex landscape and understanding diverse needs. Let's chart the route to success in this evolving market. Rural market equals Tier 3 towns, 6 lakh villages, informal prescribers, patchy roads, lower ticket sizes, but represents 25% of India's pharma demand and boasts the fastest compound annual growth rate, CAGR. This makes it a crucial area for growth. District hub pin drops, radiating spokes to villages. This hub and spoke model is key to efficient distribution, 3-layer blueprint. Hub stockist at district HQ, bulk receive, 30-day credit. Sub-stockist at Tehsil, buys weekly, 15-day credit, curates 150 stock-keeping units, SKUs. Last mile, motorcycle routes Tuesdays and Fridays, bus parcel handoffs for remotest hamlets. This tiered system ensures product availability across vast distances. Cost hacks, bundle with FMCG vans, share diesel, split cubic feet, micropacks, 4-tablet strips, rupees 10 price points. WhatsApp order bot in vernacular, confirms inventory before the bus leaves. These innovative solutions are essential for profitability. Practical nugget. A Rajasthan sub-stockist using shared FMCG logistics cut per village freight from rupees 18 to rupees 7 per pack, boosting rural gross margin by 3%. This demonstrates the tangible benefits of optimized logistics in rural markets. Institutional sales represent a significant avenue for pharmaceutical companies, essentially involving bulk drug purchasing by state and central government agencies, as well as public sector undertakings, PSUs. This is primarily achieved through competitive tender processes. In this arena, price is often the paramount consideration, but meticulous paperwork and compliance are the true foundation upon which success is built. Navigating the 5-gate tender gauntlet is crucial. First, pre-qualification demands a GMP certified site and capacity certificates, alongside an EMD deposit. Second, the tech bid requires assay and stability data and samples, all subject to rigorous pass-fail criteria. Third, the price bid sees the lowest acceptable bidder, L1, typically winning 70% of the volume, while L2 and L3 may split the remaining 30%. Fourth, supply and QC involve staggered deliveries and random government lab tests. Failure can lead to blacklisting. Fifth, payment reality often stretches to 90, 180 days. Executive compass. Strategically enter tenders for molecules where economies of scale can effectively offset margin pressures. Proactively hedge cash flow by negotiating supply bill cycles to initiate the payment clock as early as possible. Also, leverage invoice discounting fintech solutions to bridge the payment gap. Corporate hospital chains, such as Apollo and Fortis, make centralized purchasing decisions through their pharmacy and therapeutics committees. Securing a place on their formulary is essential, otherwise your product remains off their shelves. Implement the 4-step CAM playbook for success. First, present a clinical dossier with robust RCT data and pharmacoeconomic analyses to the PTC. Second, negotiate a commercial deal with volume-based rebate tiers, 30-day credit terms, and penalties for stockouts exceeding 24 hours. Third, design a resilient supply chain with JIT direct-to-pharmacy delivery via a GDP-validated 3PL, coupled with weekly forecast sharing. Fourth, actively engage clinicians through CME programs, compelling case studies, and comprehensive nurse training. Remember, formulary inclusion is just the beginning, not the end. Insight. One cardiology brand significantly boosted its formulary share from 10% to an impressive 45% within just 9 months. This was achieved by embedding an on-site service representative who ensured zero stockouts and facilitated rapid adverse drug reaction (ADR) reporting, thereby cultivating a strong trust loop with the hospital pharmacy head. Specialty drugs, often costing approximately rupees 1 to 5 lakh per pack, demand stringent cold chain management and cater to a limited patient cohort. The traditional open wholesale model presents significant leakage risks and a complete data blackout, making it unsuitable for these high-value medications. A limited distribution network, typically involving just 1 to 3 specialty distributors nationwide, requires GDP elite players with substantial financial muscle. This model ensures direct hospital tie-ups, with shipments going only to designated oncology centers. A crucial component is the patient support program, designed to enroll patients, verify insurance coverage, schedule infusions, and even arrange for home cold box delivery when needed, ensuring seamless access to treatment. The data dividend is a key advantage, where real-time dispense data provides valuable insights for post-marketing surveillance, PV, and comprehensive market analytics. Financial risk is also minimized, as credit is insured on a per-patient basis, offering an added layer of security. Case snapshot. Consider a breast cancer biologic that dramatically slashed write-offs from rupees 3 crore to less than rupees 25 lakh. This was achieved by transitioning from a broad network of 600 wholesalers to just 2 specialty distributors, complemented by a robust patient support program. Furthermore, a recall drill demonstrated 100% batch traceability within just 6 hours, showcasing the efficiency of the model. Market access mastery hinges on 4 tailored engines. A rural hub-and-spoke model utilizing micropacks for wider reach. Tender rigor, demanding paper-perfect documentation and cash flow awareness. Corporate hospital KM, focusing on formulary inclusion and seamless bedside delivery. And finally, the specialty LDN, ensuring secure data-rich and patient-centric distribution. By strategically blending these engines, a brand can achieve nationwide reach, resilience, and future readiness. Self-check questions. Name 2 cost-cutting tactics applicable to rural last-mile delivery. List 3 essential documents typically required in a state tender technical bid. What is the primary goal of a corporate hospital key account manager, CAM? And finally, give 1 key benefit of implementing a limited distribution network specifically for specialty oncology drugs.